walls.
Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Ford Power Live, which, as you can see, I've gate crashed. I've brought my Japanese car to a Ford show. Rather than the other way around, we've got cars arriving, quite a few cars arriving. Fiesta, there's going to be a lot of 5-cylinder turbo noises, a lot of 5-cylinder turbo noises, a lot of 5-cylinder turbo. Right, yeah, this is the long lineups. Mark II, Mark 2.5, Mark 2, Mark 2, yeah.
But it's not just Focuses and Fiestas. We have a Capri leading the pack. Mustangs, Focus RS. They're gonna be a noisy bunch today. Luckily there's no locals in the immediate distance. Any comment containing the word Volvo gets automatically deleted. It's Stitch and his girlfriend and other characters, rally cars. Oh yes, Harley Quinn, Minnie Mouse. These cars attend more car meets than I do. There are more explosions in the distance. Again, sounds like a 5-cylinder turbo. It's going to be a Mark II behind the green light branded Fiesta. Single figure MPG. Wow, look at the Puma content. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 Pumas. 9 Pumas. A Puma van? What? It's got an Escort or something, yeah. We've got more Focuses and Fiestas with the Sierra up front. Another Sierra coming up in blue with this V8. Oh, cherry red Capri. Oh, look at the Escorts.
It suddenly got very cold. I'm having to do dancing to warm myself up.
White wheel the world. A wide arched Mark III. Yes. Different. I like the colour coordinations there.
And all of these Fords have reminded me of my new Ford GT model kit that I've started building from D. Agostini. D. Agostini works with premium brands to provide collectibles of the highest quality and have sponsored this video with their 1/8 scale Ford GT40. This model is a faithful replica licensed by Ford themselves. It's got working and opening doors, bonnet, and even working headlights and brake lights too. This particular kit is based on the 1969 Le Mans winning Ford GT40, and with every subscription you get to learn more about the history of the car whilst you build it with their magazine. That's included with your subscription, and throughout your subscription you'll be receiving various gifts. So I'm looking forward to building my 1/43rd Le Mans collection too, with a collection of more GT40s. And so that you can build this detailed replica, just use my code promo_3046. The code's here and the link is in the video's description.
We have another huge convoy coming up. It begins with a red lit Mondeo. More Mondeos. That one's a taxi. This Mondeo looks like a Mustang with a bonnet scoop. How about that? These Focuses are in a race with a bicycle and they're winning. Escort RS Turbo. Retro goodness. What else have we got? I think it's the first Sierra Cosworth of the day. And the second Sierra Cosworth of the day, a Safi. Wow! Another spoiler! They are all coming now, even the BMW X5 that isn't a Ford, that has a Ford on the back of the trailer. Ford shouldn't leave. A lot of them are going the wrong way, but we have the... Oh, he's gone the wrong way as well! I should probably go down there because otherwise I'm going to miss half of them. I don't know why they're having to go that way. It's the first Mark I Focus RS! There's like like 500 people. Wow, white flaps and a pathetic horn. Come on. And the second Mark 1 Focus RS of the day going this way. Oh, Capri's coming. Love that induction noise. Oh, we've got the touring cars, the Mondeo, and behind the Fiesta, another Mondeo, then White Arch Mark 3 Focus as well. All in their BTCC liveries. Yes, there's also another intruder. 991 GT3. More Focus RS Mark 3s. Nitrous blue everywhere. I've just found this, but I don't know about you guys, but I reckon I could flog this today as like a splitter or some kind of spoiler. Someone will take it. Personally, I prefer the classic Fords. We have a lineup of Anglias. I think my granny had one of these. Obviously, so did Ron Weasley. We get it. Harry Potter did a lot for the Ford Anglia. Negative and positive. Anglia van as well. Anglia race car. And a modified Bentley Continental GT. After the Anglias, we now have Escorts behind the Puma. There's a wide arch one. Oh, they're going this way. Good job I'm down here now. We have another Mark 1 Escort as the other two have decided to go this way instead. Oh, look at all the orange. That is a colour coordination. The Mini got right in the middle of that. How many orange Mark 2 and 2.5 Focus SCs have you seen before in a lineup like that? That is crazy. I wonder how annoyed they got when the Mini just pulled in. Ruined their lineup. The Escort kind of gate crashed too, but at least he is a Ford and he does have a horn. Now, how about this bunch pulling in? There is the first Escort Cosworth in Imperial Blue. Standard race. Focus RS, Escort, Cosy, Safi. And another Anglia at the front of the bunch. We're getting more of the retro crew. He's got the blue wheels. Fresh in the morning. And we even have a cup car. Ford Crown Victoria. Another Sierra Cosworth. They're getting common now. Yet more Mark 1 Escorts. Wide arches on the red example. Liking that one. All kinds of colours coming up. There is a yellow Mark 2 Focus RS behind the green one. Yes, yellow. It's the colour to go for. Escort. That sounded straight cut. I think it was. This Focus has ticked every box. I'm loving the spotlights. Sounds great. Oh no. Someone's dropped their apple. He's got a long distance to travel. He's got a Mark II Escort RS 2000. Luckily, he's gone the other. Oh no! Oh, that was close. The apple got squished. I'm gonna retreat to my car because there's still more arrivals and it's getting colder, if anything. And obviously, because mine isn't going to be accepted into the show, even though it's a Ford Street KA, it's going to be in the public car park, so I won't be able to sit in the car during the day. So I might as well make the most of heating and warmth whilst all the cars are rolling in. Someone's noisy. That was 5-cylinder turbo in the Fiesta. Give me warmth. Ooh, yellow friends. Ooh. I feel like it's cheating looking in my mirrors. There's also lots and lots of Mark IIIs as well. I mean, nitrous blue is a popular colour. Can't really see what's going on. This is the Focus. It's quite difficult. Oh, there's a GT4. Yes! I'm going to have to get out of the car now because they've parked right in my way. There is a gang of of retro and classic Escorts rolling in together, all meeting up to arrive as one, and another ST coming this way. Some of the retro bunch are meeting in here. I'm actually standing in their way. Some more Mark II Escorts. You can see all the Escorts in the lineup. There they all are in their classic colour coordination. Off they go. Making a bit of a scene there, doing a few wiggles up the rows. Right, is this what's happening now? Is this us? You can see the number 11. It's a wiggly number 11. I think he's still going, hence the blurry number plates. There we go, he's made us to 2s in the road for the morning. More Escorts are arriving. This is more like it. I expected more Focuses than Escorts, but the combination is nice. See all these retro cars because I think they're just getting into their cars to go into the main show, but there's probably about 50 of them piled up in the lay-by. There's also a Porsche 911. Yes, they're all starting out. This will be an entertaining sight, won't it? Cortina. When I got here this morning, it seems like there are hardly any cars pulling in. I worried I got the wrong day, or it just wasn't going to be as big as I thought it was, but it's actually been a huge turnout of modern retro and classic Fords, including a Seat with Union Jacks on its roof as well. So I don't think they're all leaving at once. There's about a quarter of them leaving first. It's a bit like cars leaving a car show. And there goes the Capri, boosted. Oh, the Mustang came sideways out the junction there. So much power. There goes Cortina. Some friends now. The P100s. It's the mark of a classic Ford. You know they've been here. There's a Bentayga as well in the mix.
those few departures slash arrivals, I actually need to head in the main show myself. I'm going to be parking in the public car park and I'm going to film another video, so hit that bell when you subscribe to keep an update as to when that goes live. So I hope you enjoyed that video of the cars arriving at Ford Power Live at Brands Hatch. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and photos of the meets that I do. But for now, thanks for watching.